Before we proceed, please remember to subscribe and to click the notification bell so you can be informed of our new and inspiring video. Thrilling competition ahead. These entrepreneurs are not just delegates, they are contenders vying for YALDA's investment to propel their business to new heights. What are your thoughts? Who do you think deserves to win? Let us know your favorites and why.
My name is Bigambo Nambi, and I'm just grateful for the opportunity, and it brings me pleasure to present my business to you. I am the founder and the CEO for Geotex. Geotex is a sustainable, green, innovative business, which is a startup that currently just develops roll lock retaining block.
Is this entrepreneur your pick? Tell us your thoughts. Why do you believe this entrepreneur should win? Comment below and share why their business deserves the YALDA investment. Your voice matters. Your engagement fuels the dreams of these young entrepreneurs. Imagine these businesses in your country. Which one would you love to see thrive in your community? Tell us where you are from and why do you love to have one of these businesses in your country. Your contributions are key to our collective success. Thank you for being part of the YALDA journey and for supporting the next generation of African entrepreneurs. Remember to subscribe and to click the notification bell so you can be informed of our new and inspiring video, and share with your family, friends across all our social media platforms.